How to fix Windows Defender not opening. So, I'll show you several easy ways to fix Windows Defender if it's not opening. First of all, you can simply restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. If that does not work, in the search bar you can simply search for Windows Security and just like that click onto it to open it from the results. If it still is not open, you can simply press Windows plus R and then you can simply type in services.msc. After that, tap on OK, and then you want to go and simply scroll down until you see Security Center. Now you want to make sure this is running. If not, you can simply right click onto it and then select Start. Then set Startup Type to Automatic. Next, check if any third-party antivirus is installed. If you have one, Windows Defender may be disabled automatically. You can even try resetting your apps. In the search bar, you can simply search for Settings. Inside Settings, you simply want to go ahead and tap on Apps. Inside App, tap on Installed Apps. Now scroll below, then tap on Windows Security. And just like that, you can simply tap on Reset. Another fix is to run a SFC scan. You can simply open up CMD in your computer and then type in SFC/scan now. After that, press enter and just like that, wait for the scan to complete, then restart your PC. That's it. That should fix the issue in most cases. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.